located along a line extending from near Fairview to near Bath, moving east at 50 miles per
My
hour.
county here.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Havana, Lewistown, Mason City, East Peoria, Morton,
That's us.
Washington, Bartonville, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Marquette Heights, Farmington, Tremont, Bellevue, Delavan, Manitou, Cuba, and Hannah City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 20 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 3 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 91 and 105.